Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of position. Arrange someone or something in a specific place or manner. For example, he pulled out a chair and positioned it between them. American pronunciation. Position. Position. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Position. Say. Position. Position means put or arrange in particular position. 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 Position origin. Late Middle English, from Old French, Latin position, ponere, to place. The early 19th century saw the current meaning of the verb. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He needed to locate their defensive positions. Now, repeat after me. He needed to locate their defensive positions. The second practice. His work in this area was aimed at locating the position of enemy guns. Now, repeat after me. His work in this area was aimed at locating the position of enemy guns.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.